to Mike Golden Games. It's finally spring now, and as you can see, my tires are really dirty from the winter, so I'm going to be cleaning them up. So here's the product we're going to be using. We're going to be using the Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner in WD-40. First, we're going to see how the tire cleaner does, and then I've heard WD-40 is actually really good at making the tires look, you know, really nice and black and just really clean looking. So anyways, here are my tires. And as you can see, the winter really is rough on your tires. Makes them really dirty, and it's just like caked on mud and dirt and just grit from the road. All that salt just really makes everything really nasty looking. And you can see how dirty these are. Like, let's do this. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. We're gonna try this Turtle Wax Tire Cleaner and see how this is. So let's pull that away. We'll just go right into it. Damn child, look at this shit. Child resistant nozzle press tab twist open. What tab are you, this is okay, we all know how these child locks are. They're just for adults that make them look stupid. All right, here we go. So we are cocked and ready to go. Let's just see how this works. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so we're just gonna get it on there. We're gonna let it soak for a few minutes. I'm not sure how long, but we'll come back in a few minutes after, you know, I just let it sit. And we'll see what it looks like. Let's just get it all on there. Looks good. Now this is tire and wheel cleaner, so we are gonna spray it in here as well. See how this stuff works. Hopefully it works good. Actually, it looks like it's cleaning that dirt up pretty good. Might be a little hard to see on the camera. It should be fine. You can see it's really pulling that dirt off. Seems like it's doing a really good job. So I'm gonna go around and do this to all the tires. So I just got finished spraying the last tire on the other side. And as you can see, it's just pulling the dirt off. It's looking better already. Looks like I might need to get some more up here. And then I'm gonna get my hose and wash it off. And then we'll see how they look. But, or you could get a cup of water too, probably, but that'll take a while. So I'm just gonna go get my hose. All right, got my hose here. So let's go over here and just spray it down. Looking pretty good. I do have a power washer, but that takes a little more time to set up, which I actually did set up yesterday for the first time since, you know, last summer or fall. So let's just get this knocked down. May need to spray some more because it's still a little dirty. Now again, I'm using an iPhone X or iPhone 10, so I can get it as wet as I want it. I'm gonna try not to though, just because, you know, don't need to. Come on, hose, come on. There we go. Get her all wet. Yeah, look at that. That dirt coming off. Yeah, looks like we're gonna need a little more on there, but so far that looks pretty good. Spray it down one more time. Hopefully we can get all this grime off. Trying to get this back to white. The BFGoodrich, you know, logo, or the text used to be white. So anyways, let's try and get this sprayed down some more and see if this does more good job, you know. I'm gonna go spray down the other tires, because like on this one, you can still see on the edge, there's still some caked on mud. So hopefully we can get this all cleaned off. Then we'll see what the WD-40 does. Just gonna use a quick paper towel and wipe this off really quick, see if that works. Look at that. That is working a lot better. So if you're gonna do this, I'd say get a brush first. I didn't get one. So I'm just using this paper towel to just kind of wipe off the dirt that's on the logo here. All right, so what I did is I just kind of wiped it with my hand, and that basically made the dirt come off. Didn't really stick to my hand either. So overall, that looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna let it dry for a second here. Then I'm gonna spray it down with the WD-40 and see how that looks. Got the WD-40 here. It's not completely dry, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna spray it down and we'll see how it looks. So just kind of, you know, overall just get it wet. And let's just spray this whole thing down and see what it looks like. Just wet the entire surface. And it's really caked up in here with the road grime and brake dust. Even though I am using ceramic brakes, You know, there's still all the crap from the road that just gets all caked up onto your tires. So it's gonna need some more cleaning. But like I said, for the sake of the video, let's just do that and see how it looks. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute and then probably do one more coat because there is still water on there. But overall, let's back up here. That looks pretty good. I gotta say, it looks really nice. All right, there we go. Let her sit for a minute now. Looking pretty good. We'll see how it is when it dries off. All right, guys, so I'm gonna leave the video here. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Have a great day, guys, and see you next time. Maybe consider subscribing if you haven't already.